Alright, you blockheads, listen up. I have owl and it's in its cage.
Yeah, just get to the point.
Yeah, dude, no need to rub it in.
Can both of y'all shut up?
Thank you, Natalie. Yeah, Stephanie and Stefan, shut up and listen up. Today I bought a owl today because it looked cool, but today I also have to go to basketball practice, so I want you to babysit the owl.
Man, I don't want to, yo.
We gonna have to now.
We gonna have to now. Ha 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 ha.
Shut up.
So yeah, just watch the owl. If you do something bad, you'll all grounded. Got it?
Yeah.
Good.
Hey Stefan, let the bird out the cage.
What? No, don't.
I going to anyway. Oh no.
Mom and Dad, come here.
What is it?
My freaking owl gone because of them three.
Ooh, y'all grounded, all of you, for losing the owl.